Happy New Year, y'all! 2021 is here and we have a fresh, blank year ahead of us. Praise. Every year as the new year turns, we get this golden opportunity to reevaluate and reanalyze our priorities. Somewhat of a fresh start. No YNAB pun intended. Just kidding. It was entirely intended, absolutely. Puns! So we start off asking all the questions. Do I like the way I'm spending my time? Do I like the things that are consuming my brain space? Am I leaving enough space to do the things I love and that give me life? And no surprise here, our money is absolutely something we should carve out a minute or two to reflect on and reevaluate with the welcoming of the new year. Now, there are a plethora of different positions we could all be in right now. Some of us are in the position to start prioritizing big savings goals like home ownership or maybe a second car for the growing family. Some of us were hit hard financially this past year and the one and only goal is to keep bills paid and food on the table. And some of us don't even really know where our money went this past year, or any year for that matter. Maybe the goal is starting your first budget or learning how to identify some of your spending habits. Then there are some of you who have some debt. You know it's there, you know you need to get rid of it one day, but you have zero idea where or how to start. Some of you may be saying, I know I probably have some extra money somewhere I could be putting toward my debt, but how do I even know if it's safe to do that? Meanwhile, some of you are asking, how do you pay off debt when you're living on unemployment? Can you pay off debt when you're living on unemployment? Should you even? So here's the main question I want to pose to you right now. What is one thing you could do to give yourself more peace financially this year? Out of all those scenarios I just described, you may identify as a person that just wants some financial stability and security. Maybe you are working toward a big savings goal. Maybe it's finally the year you start that budget. But if you feel like starting the process of paying off your debt was the most convicting or highest priority for you, I've got the best news for you. Like, so good. Seriously? Come on. At YNAB, we are no strangers to debt. We are humans. We've taken out loans when we're young, and we've walked into brand new debt when we're old. We attended colleges we didn't have scholarships for, and leased cars, and bought homes that certainly could have been a little smaller. So, there's 3 good pieces of news here. First, you are far from alone. Most everyone has had debt at some point, and still most everyone is holding on to some debt right now. Sometimes we took out debt because we were careless or wanted something before we could afford it, but if this past year taught us anything, it's that sometimes debt is the one and only option that can help keep us afloat. No matter how you acquired your debt, it's okay. I'm right there with you. The second good piece of news is that because we've all had debt here at YNAB, we know a heck of a lot about how to handle it. Which leads me to my third good piece of news. I'm here to announce today, YNAB has launched our very first video course on debt paydown titled, How to Get Out of Debt and Stay Out. Creative. In this video course, which is fully free, self-paced, and accessible to anyone without having to set up an account or make another login for another website, we start from the bottom up with debt. You'll learn to identify which type of debt you have, which may help you figure out why you keep falling back into it or what your triggers may be. We talk through a handful of various debt paydown methods so you can choose the method that most floats your boat or fits your personality or applies best to your specific situation. You'll get to learn about what we lovingly refer to as the ultimate debt prevention tool that will help you build up a defense against acquiring new future debt. We'll even walk through some methods that will help you track your spending, whether that's with paper and pen, or Excel sheets, or using the YNAB app, and we'll give you some ideas about where to cut spending so that you're able to put more money toward your debt paydown, or maybe just get a month ahead in your finances. And if you're thinking, there is absolutely no way I could cut any spending from my budget, it's all only essential spending, don't worry, we have some ideas for how to bring in some extra cash too. And my very favorite part of this video course is that we follow 5 families and individuals that are working through their debt paydown journey right alongside you, right now. Some of them are wanting to pay off their debt as fast as they can. Others are harnessing their budget to help them confidently pay off their debts slowly over time. And some of them are even getting ready to take on brand new debt. Did she just say take on brand new debt? Yeah, you heard that right. These are real people who are right in the middle of their debt paydown journey, and they're taking realistic measures to reach their end goal of one day having no more debt. If this sounds like something you've been needing, something you've been craving, something you've been avoiding, then this course is 100% for you. You can knock out this entire video course in just over 1 hour on a random Tuesday night after the kids are in bed, or if you have just 10 minutes a day, you can watch one video every day for 2 weeks. Some are as short as 3 minutes, and none of them exceed 10 minutes because long videos are hard to watch. Says the girl who makes an 18-minute video about budget-friendly holiday gifts. Sorry, I love giving gifts. If you're ready to face that debt, head on over to youneedabudget.com and find our video courses page under the Learn to Budget tab. Once you're here, you can navigate the table of contents at whatever pace you like, go back and watch a video you need a refresher on, or simply see what the course is about. And in classic YNAB fashion, we don't want you to have to navigate this alone. So if you're truly interested in kicking some debt booty this year, you may want to sign up for our January Debt Bootcamp. Are we all seeing what I did there? This bootcamp consists of a Facebook group with encouraging and useful educational content about how to pay off your debt with YNAB, and serves as a place for fellow YNABers to encourage and support one another along their debt paydown journeys. If you think our Debt Bootcamp Facebook group could be a helpful source of inspiration and accountability for you, I will 1000% link it down below so you can go sign up and get started. Y'all, I cannot tell you at all what this year is going to be like, but what I can tell you is that we are here to help and support you any way we can. If you want, go ahead and share in a comment below what your big financial goal is for 2021. Maybe you can find some like-minded people that are striving toward the same goals, connect, and help each other out. And if you're not interested in joining a debt bootcamp, but you are interested in getting a little more accountability and community with other YNABers, hop on Facebook and join the YNAB Fans Facebook group. It is fan-led, and it is a fantastic community of YNABers sharing different ideas, asking questions, and encouraging each other along the way. Make this the year where you have financial community and you're not doing this alone. Bottom line, we love you guys, and if we do this together, we are ready for the growth and the challenge and the newness of 2021. See you in the next video.